Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX. The 2026 Ram 1500 TRX takes performance trucks to the next level with incredible power, advanced tech, and a tough yet stylish design. Known as the top predator in the pickup world, the TRX is built for both off-road adventures and luxury. Exterior: bold and rugged. New grille design: a wider grille with bold Ram lettering and adaptive LED headlights. Improved aerodynamics: a functional hood scoop with air intakes. Tough look: 35-inch off-road tires, fender flares, and skid plates for ultimate durability. Performance: extreme power. Supercharged V8 engine. A 6.2L Hemi Hellcat engine delivers 720 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. New hybrid option: a 3.0L twin-turbo V6 with electric power provides 550 horsepower and better fuel efficiency. Upgraded suspension: adaptive shocks for better handling on rough terrain. Speed: reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, leading the pack in performance. Interior: luxury meets functionality. High-end materials: Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents for a premium feel. Advanced tech: a 15-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and off-road trail modes. Driver comfort: heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a heads-up display. Technology: smarter driving. Off-road features: 360-degree cameras and terrain modes like Baja, Rock, and Sand. Safety systems: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Performance tools: tracks data for on-road and off-road adventures. Eco-friendly performance: the hybrid model offers better fuel economy and fewer emissions while still delivering powerful performance. Pricing and availability: base TRX starts at $85,000. Limited editions go up to $100,000 with exclusive features. Conclusion: the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX is the ultimate performance truck, combining raw power, off-road capability, and luxury. It's the dream pickup for enthusiasts who want it all. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.